Hey y'all, welcome to Squirrel's Wood Shop. Today I'm going to be making a birdhouse for my mother-in-law. She's been wanting a new birdhouse, so I'm going to make her one. I hope to come up with a pretty good design for her. I'm going to be making out of this western cedar. I got a bunch of reclaimed western cedar here I took out of an old playhouse. I'm going to be using that. Anyway, we're going to see if we can get these birds a new home to live in. Y'all stick around and see if we can get her done. Well, we got her done. I think it turned out pretty good. That's something I've never made before, a birdhouse, believe it or not. But anyway, it's got the little rib roof on it, some lap siding, got a little fretwork up here, 16 inches tall, 7 inches wide, 5 inches deep. Anyway, I think the birds are gonna like it. You know, they can make it on their own all right, but sometimes it's pretty nice to have a little luxury. So anyway, I think they'll enjoy it, and appreciate y'all watching, and God bless.